In this video, you will learn how to show a live stream video based on HTTP live streaming protocols, otherwise known as HLS. First, log into your Rise Vision account, go to the Presentations tab, and then select Add Presentation. A live streaming video can be added two different ways, either in its own standalone presentation template by using the Streaming Full Screen right here, or by selecting any other presentation that includes a playlist component, for example, right there. For this example, we'll be focusing on inserting the content into a standalone streaming full screen presentation, but the instructions are otherwise the same. With the template loaded, we can go to the base component that says My Video Streaming, and now we can paste in the URL for our live stream. A preview will not be provided of the video in the presentation editor. However, once this process is complete, you can see a preview within the schedule or on the display. You can now toggle the volume settings, as well as choose any audio or subtitles that may have been provided via the live stream source. Once complete, you can select the Publish button at the upper right and then add this presentation to the appropriate schedule and display.